Hello, I'm Doug Drovers with Banner Fire Equipment. I'm here today to talk to you about the Covert Armor bulletproof vest designed for fire and EMS. The vest is designed to accept soft armor up to level 3A plus with special threat, as well as ceramic or steel level 4 hard plates. Hard plates go in the front and back pockets, so they're easy to install or to take out as needed. The vest can be ordered with soft armor or without soft armor and just be used as a plate carrier. The vests are available in black, tan, yellow, red, and blue. It's also available with a removable name tag in the front. It can be customized to your needs. The vest also features an IFAK pouch in the front, as well as a radio pouch divider. They're designed to fit chest sizes up to 74 inches and is also adjustable for your torso length through the shoulders. The vest also has shoulder padding as well as a grab handle built into the back. If you have any questions or need to arrange for a demonstration, please contact your Banner sales representative.